Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. As you already know that registration form is available for NEET PG 2023, and in this video I'm going to explain in detail about the information bulletin, each and every important point which you need to have, which you need to consider before you do start with the registration process, which includes in internship last date, edit window, what details you can edit, registration date, final edit window, test city center, application fee, and performer for OBC, SC, EWS certificates, and other details. Okay. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel because this channel will give you all the important updates timely manner, and the cutoff and other important details as per the last year counseling. And you can also avail our paid counseling guidance, where we support you throughout the counseling process. If you avail now, we can give some discount, and we will be supporting you in the application form filling and further preparation as well. So the schedule for each and everything is published, and don't think about postponement, because at far it doesn't look like there is any meaningful reason to postpone it. So all the discussions, all the doubts related to postponement should be closed and over by now, because you have less than 2 months of time for preparation. So don't waste any time thinking over anything. The registration will start from today, 7th January, and it will go on for next 20 days up to 27th, 11:55 midnight. You can do the registration, but there are limited test city centers, and if you are looking to get your examination done in the nearby cities, then you have to do the registration soon. Otherwise, the on first come first services, all the seats, all the test city centers will get occupied, and then you have to travel maybe long distance or random basis. They will allot you the test city centers. Edit window for particular details except except your name, test city, nationality, mobile number, email ID. Except these 5 details, everything can be edited, including your category, your photograph, webcam photo, thumb impression, signature, everything can be edited. And the first window for edit is available from 30th of Jan to 3rd of February. Okay. And then for the further edition, and that is the last edit window to rectify the incorrect images. They have given you the specification or instructions how you can create your images like photograph, thumb impression, and signature, in what size, in what aspect ratio. In case you don't understand what is the aspect ratio, what is the size, and how you can change it, then you have to read the information bulletin carefully, and you can take help of nearby cyber center, or you can call us also. We can also help you out. So you have to put in particular aspect ratio and the significance, then only it will be acceptable. In case you want to change, many times candidate do mistakes. Instead of thumb impression, they upload signature, or like vice versa. Okay, so you have to carefully do these things and check it, because your application might get rejected. But don't worry, you have to just use the mobile phone which you will be able to keep with you for next 1 year, and the email ID also, which you have your password, so that in case you want to recover it on other system, if your system is lost or something like that, then you can recover it. The next edit window will be available from 14th of February to 17th February. On 27th, all the valid applications will be given their admit card, and in admit card everything will be mentioned where your exam center, and the examination is going to happen on 5th of March. On 31st they have given the result date, but it might come early also. Okay, and the last date of internship completion is 31st of March. Many candidates will have question that my internship won't complete by 31st of March. In that case, you can write email to NB. They can think about extended it, okay, but there is no guarantee. Okay, so this NEET PG 2023 application, okay, which are the colleges comes under it? All India quota 50% seats, means government colleges in each every state. You can get admission into state quota seats for all the states, and private medical colleges, institutions, deemed universities, armed force medical colleges, then DNB courses, 6 years DNB courses. Okay, which are the colleges which won't be covered with this exam? All AIMS and other AIMS. Okay, PGIM Chandigarh, JIPMER, these centers won't be, these colleges won't be covered under this exam. Nimhans, Bangalore, and Sri Chitra Tribunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology, Trivandrum. So for these colleges, you need to write INSET examination. So this is about edit window 30 Jan to 3rd February, first edit window, and second edit window from 14th February to 17th February. The examination fee is 4,250, and then 18% of GST will be applied on top of it. For SC, ST, PWD candidates is 3,250. Okay, and on the day of examination, this will be the schedule. So examination is going to start from 9 to 12:30. So you have to make sure that during this period, means in the first half, you don't have a habit of sleeping off. Okay, otherwise you won't be feeling energetic during the examination time. It's very important. Okay, or you need to make a habit that you solve the key bank or during this time, so that your mind is accustomed during the time duration. So how you need to fill the application form, I will be creating a separate video step by step when it's available online. I will create a demo, but you have to fill the user registration form, and after it you will be given user ID and password will be sent over your mobile number through SMS, and email will be sent to your email ID. Then you have to complete the application form. Under that you have to upload your photograph, signature, thumb impression. So I would suggest first you have to make like photographs. You need to scan the signature and thumb impression, and all the documents need to be kept ready, and then at once you have to fill that application form, else you might do some mistake. Okay, then you have to choose your test city center and then pay examination fee. You have to agree with the declaration and submit the form, and then you need to take printout, okay, of the last page. So that's how you will complete it. So I hope everything is covered. You need to check like what is the format of OBC certificate. Actually the OBC certificate need to be furnished in the format it's given in the prospectus, EWS also, and SCST, PWD as well. In case you don't provide in that format, because in many states a particular caste may be considered under OBC, but at national level that caste might not become under OBC or EWS. Okay, so your state level certificates won't work out here. You have to furnish it in the exactly same format, and you ask your local tehsildar. They will be having the format, or you can show them the format which is available in the NEET PG prospectus. In case your certificates are expired, then you have to apply for new one, and anytime you feel that you are not able to now you feel that you can get EWS certificate, so during the application you fill EWS, but later you realize that you are not going to get EWS certificate, then you can change it during the edit window. Okay, so these things you have to make sure. And in case you want to apply for NRI but you are not NRI candidate, then your nationality should be Indian only, not NRI. Later it will create problem during the counseling process. So these are many things that you need to keep in mind. If you have particular question regarding application form filling, you can message us on 9319128677 and you can also ring us. Okay, so that's it from my side in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.